In this video, I'll show you how you can block spam mail on your Gmail account. Now what you want to do is you want to open up your mail.google.com, make sure you're logged into the correct account, and after that you want to click on the settings right here. Go over to see all settings. Now from in here what you want to do is you want to make sure that you head over to filters and blocked addresses. So simply click on this one and you will come over to this page. In here you want to click create a new filter, and in here what you can do is you can type any of the emails that you don't want to have from anymore. So let's say it's just a random email, and you can add this one, and you can type another one. Hey, you can add that one, and you can add how many you want. Now as well as you can type subject. So let's say the subject is always like, they always say hey in the subject line. You can block this as well. You can block words. So if you always get a spam email and it's about, let's say, the spam money emails, you can just make a $ like this. Usually there's a $ in there. And then what you want to do is just press create filter. Click either delete it or archive it, depends on what you want. But if you want it to be deleted, you can just do delete it. Then simply press create filter. And now every time you get a message from these people, or if you don't put anything in here, you can just delete all and it's gonna be from everyone. And it has either this subject line or it has these words. So if you just delete this, and you just have the word money. Then if you create the filter, now every single mail you get with the word money will go into this that you chose here. So that's basically how it works, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.